Hello everyone! Today we are talking about quite important topic for English learners, especially for people who want to move to the USA or England, which is название магазина на английском языке. Вы знаете, что очень многие слова в английском языке, они не переводятся прямо с русского языка. Точно так же и названия магазинов. Но в определенной, конечно же, мере можно найти логику и понять, почему именно так называется тот или иной магазин. Начнем мы с вами с рыбного магазина. Fishmongers. Fishmongers. We have no fish in our fridge. Shall we go to fishmongers? Следующий магазин – это мясной магазин. Butchers. Butchers. I want to buy some meat. I think it's a good idea to go to butchers nearby. Овощной магазин. Greengrocers. Greengrocers. I'm lack of fruits and vegetables. I think it's a good idea to go to greengrocers now. Рынок. Market. Market or marketplace. Or marketplace. I really love natural products which are sold in marketplace. Универсальный магазин. Department store. Department store. I need a lot of stuff for my house. I think it's a good idea to go to department store and buy everything there. Винный магазин или же магазин любых алкогольных напитков. Liquor store. Liquor store. Обувной магазин. Shoe store. Shoe store. I really need these shoes which are sold in shoe store in the shopping mall which is nearby. Магазин самообслуживания. Self-service store. Self-service store. Интернет-магазин. E-shop. E-shop. I need a new phone. So in the evening, I will go to e-shop. Мебельный магазин. Furniture store. Furniture store. I think we should change the furniture in our house. So in the morning, I have decided to go to furniture store. Магазин одежды. Clothing store. Clothing store. It's summer coming. So we should go to clothing store because there is a wide range of dresses. My daughter has a birthday, so today I'm going to toy shop to buy some teddy bears for her. Магазин тканей. Drapery shop или же drapery. Drapery. Drapery shop. My mom loves different types of materials which are sold only in drapery. Магазин подарков. Gift shop. Gift shop. I really love to present different gifts to my friends. And such a big number of gifts is only in gift shop. Парфюмерный магазин. Perfumers shop. Perfumers shop или же просто perfumers. My mom loves sweet perfumes in the perfumers shop nearby. Магазин канцтоваров. Stationers. Stationers. My child needs some pens and pencils, so we go to the stationers. Магазин посуды. China shop or crockery shop. China shop or crockery shop. My sister used to work in China shop. Продуктовый магазин. Grocery store or food store. Grocery store or food store. I need to buy some chocolate in this grocery store. Household. Магазин хозяйственных товаров. Household shop. Household shop. I need to buy some things for performing my house chores. in household shop. Аптека. Drugstore, chemist shop or pharmacy. Drugstore, chemist shop or pharmacy. The prescription of my doctor tells us that I need some pills to buy in drugstore. Ювелирный магазин. Jewelers. Jewelers. My brother wants to present some jewelers to his girlfriend. Антикварный магазин. Curiosity shop. Curiosity shop. По сути, магазин всяких интересностей. He's big fan of curiosity shop. Lombard. Pawn shop. Lombard. Pawn shop. Pawn shop. Цветочный магазин. Florist or flower shop. Florist or flower shop. Such beautiful roses are only in this flower shop. Итак, для того, чтобы вам были более понятны данные выражения, мы с вами разберем еще несколько слов. Liquor – спиртной напиток. Stationer – продавец канцтоваров. Ironmonger – продавец скобяных товаров. Jeweler – ювелир. Go shopping – ходить на шопинг. Do shopping – делать покупки. Pawn – закладывать. China – посуда или же сервиз. Furniture – мебель. Thank you everyone for your attention. I really appreciate that. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, click on thumbs up and wait for my next videos. Спасибо всем за внимание. Если вам понравилось видео, пожалуйста, подписывайтесь на мой канал, ставьте лайки и обязательно смотрите следующее видео.